Finally, the Gray Eagle. Automatic launch, electro-optical cameras, infrared camera, laser designator, synthetic aperture radars, ground-moving target indicator, communications relay, tactical common data link, and SATCOM communications. An optional install, called the Triclops, adds 2 additional wing sensors. Its weaponry payload is 4 Hellfire missiles. The Gray Eagle provides the division commander with a responsive, agile, and flexible capability to perform reconnaissance, surveillance, and target acquisition communications relay, man-unmanned teaming, and target attack capability.
The capability the unmanned aircraft systems provides the maneuver commander is an unprecedented view of the battlefield. From personal experience as a former maneuver commander, I wish I had the capabilities that were provided by our unmanned aircraft systems now. Literally the ability to see the battlefield, to have surveillance, to have the video feeds, to be able to see the battle space before, during, and after an operation is absolutely critical to our commanders on the ground today.